Namaskar, good morning everybody. Me certified yoga teacher Shiva Pokharel. My channel Yoga and Fitness with Shiva. Today I am going to give a very important yoga videos. That name is Yoga for especially Pranayams. After relaxation, 10 minutes relaxation of Savasana, you can do first and foremost important pranayam is diaphragmic breathing. Keep your feet together, hand besides your body, palm facing up. From here, please fold your leg from knee, keeping your knee together, feet little bit apart. And from here, please bring your right hand on the stomach, other hand is besides your body, palm facing upward or downward. From here, just observe your breath first of all. When your breath is settled down, then you can do diaphragmic breathing. In this diaphragmatic breathing, there is no any retention and suspension. When you inhale at the place and your belly is out, and when you can exhale, your belly is in. In this pranayam, the diaphragmatic muscle is used, and you can count or equal inhalation exhalation in this pranayam. Let's start. Inhaling 1 2 3, exhaling 1 2 3, inhaling 1 2 3, exhaling 1 2 3, inhaling 1 2 3, exhaling 1 2 3. If you are comfortable, you can count 4 times as well. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Then you can do 5 count as well as you're comfortable. When you are practicing or beginner, you can nearly 10 second inhale and 10 second exhale. In this pranayam, only diaphragmatic muscle is used. Therefore, this is very good for to expansion our diaphragm and to take lots of excess breathing in these muscles. Then you can slowly release the posture and lie down on the Dhrada right side. Inhale, exhale in this posture, or when your breath is settled down, you can slowly walk up. Then other important pranayams for beginner is intercostal breathing. In this intercostal breathing, first of all, you can place your hand on the intercostal muscle. Your 4 palm is each other on the front and big toe is behind your chest. From here, when you can observe your breath, when you can inhale, your intercostal muscle is expand, then chest is also expand. When you can exhale, your intercostal muscle is compress and your chest is also compress, and there is exercise of intercostal muscle. When your breath is settled down, let's start. Inhaling 1, 2, 3. Exhaling 1, 2, 3. Inhaling 1, 2, 3. Exhaling 1, 2, 3. There is no any suspension retention in this pranayams, and this is also very good for to improving our breathing techniques. Then other important pranayam is clavicular breathing. First of all, find out your clavicle muscles on the collarbone. Keep your palm on the collarbone. Your forefinger is front and your big toe is behind your shoulders, and your both elbow is out. Both elbow is pointing right side and left side straight on the line, and both side of your chest. Erect your spinal cord, and when you can inhale, your clavicle muscle is up, therefore your shoulder is also little bit behind. When you can exhale, your clavicle muscle is in and your shoulder is returning back to the starting position. There is no retention and suspension in this yoga posture. Let's start. Inhaling 1, 2, 3. Exhaling 1, 2, 3. Inhaling 1, 2, 3. Exhaling 1, 2, 3. You can do 5 count as well. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhaling 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly release the posture. Then other important pranayam for beginner is whole equal inhalation exhalation, equal breathing techniques in this posture. All the diaphragmic breathing, diaphragmic muscle, intercostal muscle and clavicle muscles, all muscles are used in this posture. Seated any meditative yoga posture, sit on the sitting bone, chin parallel to the ground, navel tuck in, erect your spinal cord and chest on the normal counter. From here, keep your palm on the thigh, palm facing upward or downward as your wish. If you are wanted to make mudra, you can make any types of mudra, and if you have not any psychological disorder, you can close your eye. Then inhaling 1, 2, 3. Exhaling 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again you can do 5 count as well. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then slowly you can do this breathing techniques nearly 10 times or as your wish. You can count or as your wish. Then other important pranayam is very important pranayam is Bhastrika pranayam. Keep your palm same position and inhale and exhale, forcefully inhale and exhalation, and your belly is, when inhale your belly is up, when exhale your belly is down. If you have any cervical issue, if you have your back pain, and if you have any high blood pressure, you can avoid this pranayam. Other important pranayam is Chandra Vedan Pranayam. Make your hands with Vishnu Mudra. Fold your index finger and middle finger, and by the help of you can help the ring finger and little finger to close your left nostril, and your thumb finger is close your right nostril. Irritated smell got same. Inhaling from your right side and exhaling from your left side. Right. Again from left side. This is from left side. That is called Chandra Vedan Pranayam. Same process. This is also very good yoga posture for beginners. Today's video is totally focused on the beginner level of pranayams. Therefore, I am giving very simple. Pran means to regulate, our Ama means regulation. To control our cosmic energy is called pranayam. Therefore, this is a fourth step of our yoga. Ama, Niyama, Asana and Pranayam. Therefore, Pranayam is very important for our physical, mental and spiritual health. This is very good, especially for those people who are suffering from many kinds of disease. They can do regularly all these Pranayams on the supervision of experienced yoga teacher. I am going to end my today's session. Please bring your palm near to the sternum on Namaskar Mudra. I am going to chant Santri mantra. Om Astoma Sadagamaya Tamsoma Jyotiragamaya Mirturma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Thank you for your dedication, sadhana and sankalpa. Inhaling, come up, rub your palm, make your palm heat. When your palm is heat, you keep your palm near to your eye, close your eye and open your eye and blink your eye, and slowly release the posture. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar yogis. Bye bye. Have a nice day.